what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and definitely follow my Facebook page, K510 Automotive Group. So today, man, we're doing a video today about E46 that's been on the page a lot of times, man. We've seen like this car transform on this page, like step by step, from coilovers to short shifters to man, everything, man. Only thing I think I haven't recorded yet was the exhaust that we put on, like the full cat back, full exhaust, no cats, no nothing. So today we're putting in a new shifter on that E46, man. Damn, it's a beautiful shot. Oh yeah, the shifters turned out. I mean, the pedals turned out nice too.
Fit that one, I have to cut like a 2-inch slit.
Huh?
For me to fit that one, if I want to keep the phone, I have to cut like a 2-inch slit.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Is there another view?
No, that's it.
You can see through?
Yeah.
Everything is out. Ooh. Shifter. Oh, okay, that's what y'all looking at. So this is what all the fuss is about, man. The new shifter. Very nice, though.
I feel it, dude. I don't see it. I feel it.
So this is the
shit.
that little pain in the ass pin right there, man.
See the.
Now it should just come right up.
Slide it forward.
Yeah, no, but I need to get out a little.
Well, this part is out. Gotta remove the short shifter from this, I guess you can say housing, right? The full exhaust, man. Oh, the rear sway bar links. Sway bar. So, damn, you did every piece of suspension on here, man. Rear control arms, sway bar. It's crazy.
When did you do those?
Everything is done on this thing, man. Alright, so we got the new.
No, I didn't. It's on the 128.
Oh. So this is the problem we ran into, man. This, what's it called? DSSR linkage is for an M3, and this is a 330. So we're gonna run the stock linkage for now. And we have to order an extended one. The one that's made for the 5-speed. This is for a 6-speed. So everything else is going smooth. So alright guys, that's it, man. All done. All bolted in. Ready to go. All the bolts in. Thing is tight as hell, man. Sweet.
There you go.
There's no, I cannot.
You're neutral or fourth?
What?
Can I try it?
Try it?
Yeah.
Like drive it?
Yeah. I don't want to rake it. Put the blinkers. Document.
How's it feel like?
Feels good, dude. Your car revs up quick, dude. Revs up quicker than the ZHP.
It's good.